So my name's Toby Sinclair. I'm from Metalcraft Limited, and I'm the operations manager here. So we make a lot of grills. We also import products with our own branded. The type of products we sell are typically to the civil construction industry, so it's usually around three-water stuff. Grates, grills, aluminium covers, some covers. We make stormwater grates out in the streets around Nelson. Meter boxes. We do stainless steel pipework and mild steel pipework for various projects all around the country. The primary clients, civil construction and city council. We're currently working on a project out in the workshop today that's for down in Christchurch. It's part of a stormwater upgrade down in Horswood. Today we're welding some 12mm plates, 250 by 12, just as some grating, just as a skirting around the edge of the grate. This job is near completion and it's looking quite good. This one here is just rated to foot traffic only. However, it's plenty strong enough to take a vehicle driving over it. Strata, we've come to accept as quite a good and reliable brand. We just wanted something that's simple, standard, and doesn't need all the bells and whistles, but it just does what it's supposed to, and yeah, is reliable, keeps going. Even after Keith had his turn, I had to go. I was upcoming for a stainless welding ticket, so I borrowed it off him for a little while and had a wee play with it myself, and I found it to be quite good, quite simple to set up and understand. So the voltage control is quite simple. It's just a traditional click type control with a number of settings. You'll find there's quite a lot of fine settings, so it works quite well for getting exactly what you want. The amperage dial is just the standard amperage control for your wire feed, and digital readouts as you're welding, nice and good and clear. So naturally all the guys liked it. It's a nice new shiny thing. However, we make it very important that the guy who's going to be the primary user of the machine gets the good go with it for at least a month before anyone can really touch it. It's good value for money, and it seems to be quite reliable, and after sales service is quite good.